My name is Dedo. We build Dedolights, and we're now introducing an additional generation of our focusing LED lights. What have we done so far? The focusing Dedolight LED lights of our DLED series have been received enthusiastically by mobile lighting crews as well as in studios. Because of the unique Dedolight optical advantages. Those are patented, award-winning, non-spherical systems, very special LED light sources, designed, developed and built exclusively to cooperate with Dedolight optical systems. Transferring all of the known Dedolight precision lighting advantages to the LED world. Highest efficiency, perfect light and color distribution. These lights cooperate with our already existing optical attachments, be it the non-spherical super wide-angle attachment with rotating barn doors, be it the unsurpassed imaging systems like our DP 1.1 and our DP 2.1, which have already been successful in the classic Dedolight series, now suitable for all the DLED4 40-watt Dedolight LED lights. Wide-angle effect glasses, spreading the light in one preferred direction, rotatable, and all the unsurpassed light shaping and projecting capabilities, a wealth of creative choices, as used for the most demanding tasks in special effects and general lighting, now also available and successful for the smallest teams. These special DLED LED lights offer the opportunity of lower power consumption and high efficiency, enabling battery operation even over longer periods, and in the bicolor version, a finely tunable choice of color temperature from mere candlelight color temperature with 2700 K all the way up to above 6000 Kelvin. This enables matching most existing ambient light situations, and beyond that, the choice of a slightly warmer fill light, slightly cooler backlight, with the finest nuances without any filtering, just at the turn of a button. But now we're introducing the Turbo series of the Dedolight focusing LED lights. We start with a new DLED7 Turbo. Small package, drastically enhanced output, active cooling, silent. The basic size of the light head is identical with the now already well accepted DLED4 40-watt focusing Dedolight LED light. Small, compact and extremely robust. The double helical focusing mechanism excels in elegance and functionality. Now, this turbo light includes a very quiet, active cooling system, enabling the use of much higher power LED light sources. The same size light head as the successful 40-watt DLED focusing Dedolight now accepts a 90-watt light source and even a 2 times 90-watt light source in the bicolor version, providing drastically enhanced light output, not sacrificing any of the typical Dedolight advantages. Now see the comparisons of the photometrics available in monocolor versions as daylight or tungsten, whilst for mobile teams, the bicolor version will offer great advantages in highly portable, very capable lighting packages for the smallest team plus optional battery operation. For interview lighting, such small lights, when used as key or fill light, may possibly be regarded as relatively aggressive because of the drastically enhanced output. But this extra output allows the use of optional softboxes, turning it, if needed, into a beautiful, gentle light source with a much larger area for pleasing lighting and still sufficient output to cover most of the everyday situations. So these can then be used very well with a third DLED7 light as a highly focusable and tunable backlight or accent light, or for delicate and moody background projections. When such background projections are lifted slightly out of focus, you can easily create the illusion of a three-dimensional world and add depth to your image. Maybe this is the most versatile and unique tool for professional lighting for the smallest team, as well as for the highest demands in big blockbuster projects. The ballasts for the DLED7 lights have grown a little bit in size, just to accommodate the double of power consumption in comparison with the traditional 40-watt versions. Now, let us look at the increased performance. The well-accepted DLED4 in daylight version was providing 1500 lux at 1 meter distance, whilst the DLED7 daylight now produces 2500 lux. The additional output power in spot is also remarkably increased. The 40-watt daylight version performed with 14,500 lux, whilst the DLED7 daylight now gives us 38,000 lux. Also, the bicolor versions have gained significantly in the turbo version from 1580 lux in the bicolor 40-watt to 2600 lux for the DLED7 Turbo. In spot, the performance grew from 12,100 lux for the 40-watt, now for the bicolor 21,000 in the DLED7 Turbo version. Then comes another light in the Turbo series, the DLED3. That is in the body of our 20-watt LED light. Similar improvements are shown with this light head, same size as the previous 20-watt DLED2, but now with double the power consumption, and in the bicolor version now with 2 times 40 watt. The light head remains pretty much identical, only the ballast had to grow. Here we suggest the use of the DT3 battery ballast, and powering this with a mains adapter also allows to elongate the cable between the mains power supply and the battery ballast with very lightweight cables, because this is now a low voltage system. All of this allows extremely small packages in handbag size with 3 lights, 3 battery ballasts, 3 AC adapters, and 2 soft boxes, and all the creative additional accessories, even an imaging system for projecting background images. To take a look into the future and what we're up to next, now comes the real challenge to turn the largest of the DLED lights, the DLED9 with 90 watt, respectively 2 times 90 watt in bicolor version, into a turbo version, maintaining all the known Dedolight advantages. Dedolights, dedicated to the art of lighting for the highest demands in precision lighting, now also in a very much enhanced version to serve the smallest teams in lightweight, versatile, miniature packages. We're proud of those.